My introduction to the game of baseball was at 5 years old, and I remember my father giving me my first glove and bat and taking me to the park to play catch and to hit. And it was from that moment on I fell in love with the game. I mean, I ate, slept, and drank baseball day in and day out, and I was a huge fan of the game. And I also considered myself a student of the game. I would read about some of our heroes from the past and some of the great contributions that they've made to the game of baseball. Of course, one being the late, great Jackie Robinson, one of my favorite players of all time. And not only do we honor him on every April 15th in the Major League Baseball season, but we also need to recognize some of his great contributions he made, not only as a player, but as a person to the African American community and the civil rights movement. And then also just to America in general. Like, this guy was incredible. He was talented, athletic, and he was very accomplished. He went to UCLA. He was a track star. He was a basketball player. His first love was football. And there's a lot of things that I can really go into about this guy. But what I'll say most is that I'm thankful for him and being a catalyst for my passion and love for the game of baseball. And 75 years later, we honor him still to this day. And I am very grateful for all that he has meant to me and all of his contributions and everything he did for the game of baseball as well. And we have athletes like King Griffey Jr. who pay tribute to him, the first athlete to wear the number 42 in 1997, to where now everybody wears that number 42 on April 15th. So thank you, Jackie Robinson. Thank you for all that you've done and for being my hero.